Jesus! Shit! Come here! What the? What's going on? You get one slug out.
This is insane.
What the hell are we gonna do? Just keep his finger in his arse. This is way beyond my wheelhouse. This is way beyond it.
Just stay. Jim, where are you going?
Find Jackson Terra.
No. You heard what Clay said. Family stays put.
You've got two choices, Tigger. Tackle me or tag along.
Now, look, I got nothing but adoration for you. Why do you gotta give me such a hard time for?
It's my nature. I'm a giver.
This is why I beat hookers.
Jesus Christ. Just scared the shit out of me. Where you been?
Sorry, I got caught up.
You been here? This whole time?
We've been waiting for those medical supplies, man. No.
That's it. You know? Someone tries to kill Clay and you decide it's a good time to get laid?
It's not like that, Mom.
If you want to resurrect old trauma with this bitch, you do it on your own goddamn time.
She's not there. Don't go looking for her either. Mom! Leave her alone.
Don't ever forget your first priority. I didn't. Take your foot off my bike.
How you feeling?
What the hell's going on?
There was some, complications.
Where's the Scotsman?
Oh, he's gonna be right back.
What else, your hand?
It's, oh, okay. Well, my finger is, plugging up one of your bullet holes.
Yeah, your finger jammed up my ass?
No. Well, technically, yes. Okay, but my finger's not jammed up your ass, because, you know, that would be gay. It's kind of jammed in your ass, which I guess is still kind of gay.
Oh, Jesus,
but I'm not
Christ.
gay.
Am I gonna die or not?
No. I don't think so.
Oh, Scotsman. Needs you guys to do me a favor. Brennan Hefner, Port Commissioner. He's got to be dealt with.
There's no time for that.
No, it's got to happen before Monday. He's gonna sick port dogs on a shipment. You gotta take him out. You promised me that.
Hey, don't worry. Promise you, I'll get done. I swear. Let me drown. There you go.
Take him out. Means I kill him.
No, I think what it means is dinner and a movie.